Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So as you all know that Claude just released its Opus new model Opus 5 and it can beat Claude powerful model level 5 in several benchmarks. So in today's video I am going to show you that how you can use Claude Opus 5 for completely free and you don't need any card or any subscription. So don't waste your time, let's get started. First of all, open your browser which you are comfortable to use and search for GenSpark AI. So open it and click on the official page. So please load it and simply in the top right corner you can see sign up option. Simply click on it and sign up with your Gmail account. So after completing its sign up, you are redirected to its home page. If you can see that on the bottom side of this home page, you can see several options and click on that AI chat option. Let's open it and click on that model section and you can see that you can get 100 of free credits to use, and if you want to use those models simply click on this and as you can see all models are completely free and simply choose your favorite model. As I choose Claude Opus 5 and let's build a portfolio website for me and let's check its response, it can build or not. And I paste the complete whole prompt and I will fast forwarding it because it takes time too much. As you can see that it gives me the whole code of this website and you can create a file and paste into your ID and you can see its preview. So if this video is helped you, please like this video and subscribe our channel and don't forget to join our Telegram channel because all information are provided into our Telegram, so don't forget to join it and I will see in the next video.